And we have more news coming in. It's a dance gig at a Guru's martyrdom event that has sparked a big controversy. Gurdwara body seeking an apology for the Srinagar event. Attendees were seen dancing to Punjabi songs at the 350th martyrdom anniversary of Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. The charge is that Sikh martyrdom event was disrespected after that dance video went viral. It's a dance gig at Guru's martyrdom event in Srinagar, sparking outrage. I beg your pardon. The SGPC has demanded an apology from the Punjab government. A program to commemorate the 350th martyrdom anniversary of Guru Tegh Bahadur, held in Srinagar on Thursday, has drawn criticism from the Shiromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee or SGPC after attendees were seen dancing to a Punjabi song there.
ਤੇ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਯੋਜਿਤ ਸਰਕਾਰੀ ਸਮਾਗਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਭੰਗੜੇ ਪਾਏ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਗਾਣੇ ਗਾਏ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਇਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਵੱਡਾ ਸਵਾਲ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਸੰਗਤ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਭਾਰੀ ਰੋਸ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਇਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਹੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਧਾਰਮਿਕ ਸਮਾਗਮ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਮਰਜ਼ਾਦਾਵਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਡਿਊਟੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸ਼੍ਰੋਮਣੀ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਬਖੂਬੀ ਨਿਭਾ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਅਫਸੋਸ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਰਾਜਨੀਤਿਕ ਰੰਗਤ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਸਾਡੀ ਕਹੀ ਹੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਰਾਜਨੀਤਿਕ ਰੰਗਤ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਦੇਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ। ਸੁਹਿਰਦਤਾ ਨਾਲ ਗੁਰੂ ਤੇਗ ਬਹਾਦਰ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸ਼ਤਾਬਦੀ ਸ਼ਹੀਦੀ ਆ।
मैं बेनती करदा श्री अकाल तख्त साहब श्रोमणी गुरुद्वारा प्रबंधक कमेटी की बड़ा इन्हां ते एक्शन लिया जाए, क्योंकि ये मैं समझदा कि बहुत ही निंदणयोग ते घटिया जिहड़ी है वो सरकार दी जिहड़ी पूरी घटिया जिहड़ी मैं समझदा कि ये घटिया इन्हां ने करतूत कीती है। इहो जिहियां गल्लां ते इन्हां नूं वड्डी जिहड़ी है वो सज़ा लेनी चाहिए। मैं तो इत्थों तक कहांगा कि इस मामले ते मुख मंत्री होर सारे मंत्रियों नूं जिथे माफी मंगनी चाहिए, अस्तीफे देने चाहिए ने, क्योंकि इस तो वड्डी गल नहीं हो सकती।
All right, I'm going to go straight across to Aman for more details on that story. Aman, this is in fact generating fair amount of controversy right now because of the event. I mean, it was a martyrdom's event and we have videos of people dancing. Who are these people? How did this happen? Tell us more.
It's a language department of Punjab government who, in a coordination with Jammu Kashmir authorities, held a program yesterday, and the attendees were from the Sikh community and from people from Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab itself. And Beer Singh was the singer who is known in Punjab or all across India just for Sufi singing. He used to attend the goes for singing into high VVIP functions for spiritual and Sufi singing. So he was the singer, but in fact the banner was there. Even the language department and the Punjab government minister Harjot Bans himself announced that it will be a martyrdom event where his sacrifice of Guru Tegh Bahadur will be remembered. But people were seems to be doing bhangra on the songs and even on the Sufi singing or songs related to religious of sentiments. There were songs that were different. So SGPC objected that these are not the songs that to be sung or to be performed or a bhangra to be hosted there. So it's a violation and also it's a religious misconduct by the on the name of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. And it's a notice that SGPC has taken. They have also urged the Akal Takht Sahib Jathedar Gargaj also and also in fact SGPC has sought an apology, a public apology on behalf of Punjab government, that they should apologize for this because even the singer Beer Singh himself has apologized that he was not aware. He landed back from Australia and the moment he reached the spot where the event was hosted in Srinagar, so he didn't see the banner placed on the stage, and he was not aware that what the program or his stage is in context about. And also after that, when he began with singing and the program, so he sung such songs which is a violation of a religious misconduct on which SGPC has taken notice. And also Sneha, 2 days back SGPC has also warned the Punjab government on these events that are hosted in November as well, that Punjab government should not interfere on the religious matter because these are the Panthak issues and they should take care of the religious conduct as well. And
Okay.
today Punjab government in yesterday's event did a misconduct which is a violation by for the SGPC.
Of course, and
six
that's what they've
sentiments.
been very vocal about, isn't it? Aman Bhardwaj leaving it at that for the moment.